Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a VLOOKUP formula in Excel in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking on the cell that contains your VLOOKUP formula. Then right-click on that cell to open the context menu. A context menu appears with several options including Cut, Copy, Paste options, Insert, and Delete. Click Delete from the menu. This removes the entire cell, not just its contents. So Excel will ask you how to handle the surrounding cells. This is different from pressing the delete key, which would only clear the formula but leave the empty cell in place. A delete dialog opens asking which way you want to shift the remaining cells to fill the gap. Choose Shift Cells Left if you're working in a horizontal layout, or Shift Cells Up if your data runs vertically, then click OK to confirm. The dialog closes and the cell is deleted completely, removing the VLOOKUP formula and shifting the surrounding cells into the empty space. Your spreadsheet adjusts automatically, and any cells that were to the right or below move to fill the gap. If you need to keep the looked up values but remove the formula itself, use Paste Special instead. Copy the cells, right-click, and choose Paste Special, Values. That converts the formulas to static numbers or text without shifting your layout around. If you delete a formula by accident, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac immediately to undo it. Be careful deleting cells that other formulas reference. You might break calculations elsewhere in your workbook. And that's how to remove a VLOOKUP formula in Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.